Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour.
I am so happy to see you here again for day 2 of our Shadowing English Speaking Challenge.
If you completed day 1, congratulations. You have already taken an important step towards speaking English more confidently.
And if today is your first day, that's okay too. You can still join us in practice.
Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It is about showing up. It is about practicing. It is about taking one small step every day.
Many learners think fluent English comes from talent, but the truth is much simpler. Fluent English comes from regular practice.
The more you listen, the more you understand. The more you speak, the more confident you become. That is why shadowing is such a powerful technique.
Today, we will continue training our ears, our mouths, and our minds. You will listen to a sentence. Then you will repeat it.
Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and natural flow. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are signs that you are learning.
Every successful English speaker has made thousands of mistakes. The difference is that they kept going, and so will you.
Take a comfortable seat. Relax your shoulders. Take a slow, deep breath. Get your voice ready.
Today's practice is only a few minutes long, but those minutes matter. Every sentence you speak helps build a stronger English speaking habit.
You can pause and repeat any time if you need more practice. This is your time and your space to learn and improve.
Ready? Let's begin.
Listen carefully. Sentence 1. I am becoming more confident every time I speak English. I am becoming more confident every time I speak English. I am becoming more confident every time I speak English. Wonderful. Sentence 2. Every day I learn something useful in English. Every day I learn something useful in English. Every day I learn something useful in English. Excellent. Sentence 3. I enjoy practicing English because it helps me grow. I enjoy practicing English because it helps me grow. I enjoy practicing English because it helps me grow. Great job. Sentence 4. My English gets better every day. My English gets better every day. My English gets better every day. Fantastic. Sentence 5. I am not afraid to try new words and expressions. I am not afraid to try new words and expressions. I am not afraid to try new words and expressions. Very good. Now sentence 6. Listening carefully helps me understand English more easily. Listening carefully helps me understand English more easily. Listening carefully helps me understand English more easily. Excellent work. Okay, now sentence 7. I learn from my mistakes and keep moving forward. I learn from my mistakes and keep moving forward. I learn from my mistakes and keep moving forward. Beautiful. Sentence 8. My English improves every time I practice speaking. My English improves every time I practice speaking. My English improves every time I practice speaking. Amazing. Sentence 9. I can understand more English than I did before. I can understand more English than I did before. I can understand more English than I did before. Wonderful. Sentence 10. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Excellent.
You have completed 10 sentences. Take a deep breath. Smile for a moment.
You are doing something important. You are not only learning English, you are building confidence.
Let's continue.
Sentence 11. I enjoy learning English through daily practice. I enjoy learning English through daily practice. I enjoy learning English through daily practice. Sentence 12. I stay positive even when English feels difficult. I stay positive even when English feels difficult. I stay positive even when English feels difficult. Sentence 13. Every small step brings me closer to my goal. Every small step brings me closer to my goal. Every small step brings me closer to my goal. Sentence 14. I listen carefully and speak clearly. I listen carefully and speak clearly. I listen carefully and speak clearly. Sentence 15. I trust myself and my learning journey. I trust myself and my learning journey. I trust myself and my learning journey. Sentence 16. I can communicate better when I practice regularly. I can communicate better when I practice regularly. I can communicate better when I practice regularly. Sentence 17. I enjoy hearing my English become more natural. I enjoy hearing my English become more natural. I enjoy hearing my English become more natural. Sentence 18. I am building strong English habits every day. I am building strong English habits every day. I am building strong English habits every day. Sentence 19. Practice helps me become a stronger English speaker. Practice helps me become a stronger English speaker. Practice helps me become a stronger English speaker. Sentence 20. I am proud of the effort I make each day. I am proud of the effort I make each day. I am proud of the effort I make each day.
Fantastic work. You have completed 20 shadowing sentences today. That is something to feel good about.
Many people want to improve their English, but not everyone takes action.
Today you took action. You listened. You repeated. You practiced. And that is how improvement happens.
Remember, confidence does not appear overnight. Confidence grows every time you use your English. Every sentence matters. Every practice session matters. Every day matters.
If some sentences felt easy, that's great. If some sentences felt difficult, that's also great. Both experiences help you learn.
The important thing is that you stayed with the lesson and kept speaking. Before we finish, I want you to remember one thing. You do not need perfect English to communicate. You do not need a perfect accent. You do not need perfect grammar every time.
What you need is courage to speak and willingness to practice. And today you showed both. So give yourself a big smile. You earned it.
Thank you for joining me for day 2 of the English Tour Shadowing Challenge. Come back tomorrow for day 3. We will continue building your listening skills, pronunciation, and speaking confidence together. Until then,
Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself, and keep enjoying your English journey.
thank you for learning with English Tour. See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.